Good evening and a very warm welcome to our respected guest of honor, the Executive Director of SK Samantha and Company Private Limited, Mr. Sabyasachi Sarkar, who will be joining shortly. Head of Civil Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, Professor Nirjar Dang, Chairman of CES and Advisor of Megalith, Professor Dhruv Jyoti Sen, other dignitaries, and all the participants. I welcome you all to the 13th edition of India's largest civil engineering fest, Megalith. It has been more than a decade since a group of young civil engineering students pitched an idea of providing a platform for students all over the country to promote and encourage innovations in the field of civil engineering. And it gives me immense pleasure to inform you all that Megalith has now conquered vast success in the field of civil engineering and corporate sector and has grown to be the largest civil engineering fest in India. Every year, we host hundreds of zealous students to provide them with a diverse exploration in civil engineering. As we all agree, civil engineering is more of a practical field than a theoretical one. And with the ongoing pandemic, the past year has been a tough one for almost all, especially budding students who are dynamic in learning new things. Studying from home in a completely online mode cannot nurture a creative and a competitive civil mind, and as it does in a practical field. Keeping in view of participants' spirit, we are back with the 13th edition of Megalith for our fellow students and civil engineering aspirants, with 7 events and a panel discussion on new opportunities in civil engineering for budding entrepreneurs to promote students' enthusiasm in civil engineering. The 7 events are Green Canvas, Beat the Euclid, Photography, Model Exhibition, Dark Code, TerraMind, and a new event, CVIS. Now, I would like to invite our head of the department, Professor Nirjar Dhang, to speak a few words about the fest.
Good evening to all of you. Thank you very much. And first of all, I really congratulate with wholeheartedly from the bottom of my heart for making this show on. The proverb says, whatever the situation, the show must be on. And for that, I am really proud to be the head of the Department of the Civil Engineering, where our students have done under this pandemic situation. So I really thank you all once more. Now, Megalith, one way Megalith really, one way I can say passion, my weakest thing. And the thing is that when I found that 13th edition, and it's really wonderful. And when it has gone that more than a decade, so obviously we can say it is matured. And the thing is that here we are also not happy staying in the campus without you all. Though we are meeting that our faculty members meeting you through their class, all those things, but we know how painful it is to be in the at home. And it appears to me when you are at home attending classes particularly, and it is not only true for our students, it is true for all of you who are participating in this event, because it is more like becoming actually pedagogical. Though you are getting good food, no doubt, but at the same time it is painful because you cannot bunk the class. So anyway, whatever way, all those things, but we don't want to say anything more because but I am really hopeful that as soon as possible we shall meet in the campus. And obviously, I wish that next Megalith, the 14th one, unfortunately 13th we call it unlucky, but it appears it is coinciding, whatever it is, but 14th definitely it will come and we shall do in the campus. And the thing is that the civil engineering is such a discipline. I personally believe no other disciplines does not exist if civil engineering not there. Civil engineering is the only first discipline that who goes to the field, it is like a vacant field. The one you can say from our Vedic days, you can say it is like say Shunno, or we can say Nirakar, that without that pointless. From there we make it. And it's really astonishing to me and really surprised to me when something has built up out of the some green field or something like that. It is really wonderful thing. Nobody actually does anything. Nobody does anything in the field. Nobody does anything in the field that everybody comes after that and they take the opportunity and they do the thing. Okay, anyway, I shall not go anything more detail. I welcome Mr. Sabyasachi Sarkar, I welcome Professor Dhruvyajyoti Sen, and also our students and also all the participants for this event to make it successful. And next few days, obviously, with the whatever events that told, so with that, obviously, it will be really, you will enjoy. And this is another, don't take it otherwise, because everything, every bit of life you enjoy. Even under this pandemic situation, whatever way we are doing, we are always trying to overcome. And definitely we shall overcome. And I sincerely hope that it will be really a good event, a successful event. And we shall remember for our whole life this 13th edition of Megalith. Okay, with this, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. Moving forward, I would like to invite the chairman of CES and advisor of Megalith, Professor Dhruvyajyoti Sen, to share his vision and experience of Megalith.
Okay, good evening to all, and I would like to welcome Mr. Sabyasachi Sarkar as the chief guest of this event, and Professor Dhang, the head of the department, is presiding over today's function. And it looks to me just we are missing the Kalidas auditorium, but mentally I am able to recollect that I am able to place everyone there, imagining that the whole thing is happening in Kalidas as we have been having all these years. Somehow we are missing that. It's a little bit sad, but as our head of department, Professor Dhang, said, that anyway, every situation we must try to enjoy. Now, it's not in our hands to change this situation, but at least we should try to make the best of it. And I'm really very happy to note that the students have very enthusiastically participate. At least the names what I'm in my computer screen, I can see quite a few of the names really means, as Professor Dhang said, I am like other teachers also missing all of you, because although we are having online class, but there is no direct interaction, and it's really painful for a teacher also. It's not just delivering lectures, it's more than that. It's interaction with the students is so much fun. But anyway, let's enjoy in the whatever situations we are in. And I'm really happy that the Megalith team is trying their best, and the events are spread over the coming 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. I think they have introduced a new event this time. So there will be lots of fun and many events. I'm sure everyone would be participating enthusiastically, although in a new paradigm, you can say, or under a new circumstance, in a new way we are celebrating the 13th edition. So all the best students, and we wish you all success for this 13th edition. Even as Professor Dhang said, 13th is unlucky, but anyway, so let's make this a memorable one in a way, like even under this pandemic, we had a good Megalith. So all the best to all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views and experience of Megalith. Now join me in welcoming Mr. Sabyasachi Sarkar, the Executive Director of SK Samanta and Company Private Limited. It also happens that SK Samanta and Company Private Limited is the title sponsor of Megalith 2021. So please welcome him for a brief presentation. Yes, now we can see his video.
Yeah, yes, great.
Yeah, am I audible and visible now?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. It's very nice to be, part of this important event of IIT Kharagpur. And the irony is, I'm participating in a civil engineering event, being a mechanical engineer. But I'm the executive director of SK Samanta and Company, which started their business basically from civil engineering. And even today, civil engineering or civil construction plays one of the most important aspect of this company. So we are actually in the fields of material handling in mostly Coal India companies, mostly. But of late, we are executing about 400 crores project for Singareni Colliery, which is not a Coal India outfit. But otherwise, mostly we operate in the Coal India companies, and we build the bunkers, we build the silos, we construct the conveying systems, crusher house, track hopper, and basically we deal with coal, which is a very precious material in today's scenario. So it's very nice to be here, and as Dr. Dang said that civil engineering is the mother of all engineering because it starts everything starts from civil. So, but in engineering, first we do the mechanical engineering, and when the loads and everything get finalized, then we go to the structural, and then the last comes the civil engineering. And then, but the construction starts, civil construction starts first at site. So although engineering is done later, but the construction of civil construction takes the first place at site. So we have a small presentation which I think we have already mailed to the organizers. So if they can just play that video, I think everybody can see that. Is the volume is on? Yeah, I think so. These are some of the conveying system which we have constructed. This is the founder of the company, Shakti Kumar Samanta. Started in 1982, almost 40 years. He started off with a very small civil construction business. And then finally, this year we will be closing at close to 600 crores. And I can say that this company presently, most of the people are mostly from engineering colleges from West Bengal, mostly. B College, Shibpur, Durgapur, Jadavpur. This is the loading of the wagons from the silo. So the wagon constantly moves under the silo, and there is a special system which is given by Merit Technologies Chennai for loading the wagons. So the wagon moves, and there is a chute through which the coal comes onto the wagon. So I think this company has constructed maximum number of silos in India. This is the silos. These are the silos. This is the bunker. That is a silo. That is the chute coming up for loading the wagons. We do the total EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction. under one umbrella. We are working for NCL, BCCL, ECL, all Coal India companies. This is the owner's son, extreme right. This is the workshop for the dumpers. Because in mines, you cannot survive without dumpers. The dumpers has to be cleaned, lubricated, and have to be kept in a proper shape. This is a stacker reclaimer in Bhilai. This is wagon tippler in Bhilai. You know, it holds the entire wagon and topples. This is cross-country water conveying. We have done about 100 kilometers of water pipelines. This is the stacker reclaimer. You can see the bucket wheel rotating. We do a lot of CSR activities also. We have a plant in Bilaspur where we have a huge land where we are building this, schools, some temples, doing some social works in Bilaspur. This is the owner, started from a very small company and now it is reaching about 600 crores. So that is briefly about SK Samanta and Company Private Limited. We are ISO certified and now we are expanding to new type of business. So maybe in years to come we should reach about 1,000 crores turnover. Purely from construction, industrial projects. That's all from our company. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful and an interactive presentation. Now, with approaching to the end of this opening ceremony, I would like to invite the coordinator of Megalith, Mr. Prince Meena, for a vote of thanks and for concluding the session. Prince?
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
So good evening everyone. I, Prince Meena, coordinator of Megalith 2021, speak before you all to tell you that I am here because of you. Ups and downs are the mainstream part of our life. We as human beings have faced a lot of challenges while trying to manage and succeed at other things. COVID-19 was one such challenge. It was quite a big one, I must say. COVID-19 brought weakness in not only our immune system, but also in our decision-making capabilities. We were very unsure about the future. What will happen? Will we be able to conduct Megalith this year, or will we get the permission to conduct an online fest? If not offline, then how will we achieve it online? These were some questions that were like floating throughout the minds of all the team members. But there was no end to these questions. But luckily, we were not lacking in support. We were backed up by our faculties, by such an amazing team. You guys are the reason we rise every year to celebrate this fantastic fest and declare that you, as civil engineers, can achieve great heights. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or not touched. They must be felt by the heart. Thank you is such a prayer. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who are witnessing this fest as it grows and expands even wider in the vast domains of civil engineering. The energy and enthusiasm with which the participants are ready to compete in these events are remarkable. And seriously, guys, hats off to you. You are the reason Megalith is reaching greater heights every year. I would also like to thank our beloved HOD, Professor Nirjay Dhang sir, and the chairman of CES and the advisor of Megalith, Professor DJ Sen sir, and Mr. Sabyasachi Sarkar, Executive Director of SK Samanta. I welcome you again, sir. All the professors of our College of Civil Engineering Department have been very helpful whenever we try to conduct this fest, and whenever we ask them for help, they never back off. So, lastly, I would like to thank the team that has made this fest possible. And before signing off, I would like to thank all the participants for coming here. I hope you all participate enthusiastically in the 13th edition of Megalith and come back again next year to make the 14th one bigger and better.
Prince, is it your real name or given by the classmates?
No, sir, it's my real name.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can those who are there, can all of them, can you put on your video for a moment? And at least we can clap. All of you participants, yes, please make the video
Yeah.
on.
Beautiful.
Yes, all of you, please make the video on so that at least we can see. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm really happy to see few of you.
Yeah, exactly. We are seeing the students after so many days actually, even if it is online, but still.
Still
Okay.
very happy to see you.
Yeah, exactly. Good.
Yes,
Very
please
good.
put the video, all of you.
Actually, I think some of them are having internet problem or something.
Anyway, whatever it is, as much as possible, so that at
Yeah.
Best wishes to all of you.
least, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
Okay. All the
Thank
best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And also sponsoring. Also, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Sarkar,
Thank you, sir.
for being the chief guest and also for sponsoring. Thank you, sir.
It was a
And
pleasure.
thanks.
It was a pleasure.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Good show.
students, then.
Nicely organized.
Yes. So one thing actually, tell the all the events. What are the events actually? One of you can tell. Tomorrow actually I will out station other. So what are the events? Tonight any event is there?
Yes, sir. Tonight we have CVIZ. CVIZ is the new event which we have organized this from this year itself. It is related to questions related to civil engineering subjects specifically. So tonight we are going to have CVIZ, and then there are other events also. Tomorrow we will be having Green Canvas, which is the environmental case study. Then we will be also having Beat the Euclid, which is related to AutoCAD. And there is a photography event which is going on since we have released the problem statement. So the participants will submit the best photographs. And then we are also going to have Dark Code, which is related to a coding event related to solving a problem, somewhat of a civil engineering problem. So, and obviously we are going to have TerraMind, which is a quizzing event, which is a general knowledge quizzing event. So for this year, we are going to have these events. Due to constraints, we couldn't come up with the events which we normally do, like Cryer, Rotolayer, Institch. These are most of a physical event. So this year we are coming up with the 7 events.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.